Today, let's cook together baked salmon with Parmesan cheese. And of course, our main ingredient is salmon.
Yes, of course. And go on, darling.
This is our ingredient. Is garlic powder, salt, black pepper, and olive oil,
Ooh.
mayonnaise, Ginisa.
That is Ginisa mix. It adds flavor to your dish.
And of course, Parmesan
Yes, your favorite Parmesan cheese.
and dried dill.
Oops, that's the dry dill.
Yeah.
And
The lemon. Look,
The
I already
lemon.
said garlic powder.
oh, I'm sorry. So for the lemon, I will put some lemon. I will slice the lemon like this and put it on top of the salmon later at the end once we already finish everything.
I love the smell of the lemon.
You like the taste of it too?
Yeah.
And the dill, you just break it like this, and that's it. I already washed that and I already prepared that ahead of time. And we're gonna make our sauce for the salmon. Here we go. Gonna put it one side and put this one here. And we gotta put olive oil,
Wow,
Like-
that's a lot.
just 2 spoons. And we will put the dried dill. Just that is 1 spoon. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Also the garlic powder, just a teaspoon of that.
And black pepper.
Of course, black pepper, a pinch. And what is this?
Parmesan, my favorite cheese.
Where do you want to put it? Most of the time is in spaghetti.
Yeah.
And 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And we're gonna juice some lemon. Okay. Just half of that lemon. And you can put it here. Did I miss something? I already put everything, right?
Yeah.
I just want.
Did you put the salt?
Yes, I did. I did that ahead of time. That's it.
This is how it's supposed to look like when you mix all the ingredients.
Okay, now we're gonna put the salmon.
Now we're gonna put our beautiful salmon.
Oh, beautiful, huh?
Yeah, it's beautiful because it's gonna be beautiful food.
The oven is already ready. It's waiting for the salmon. So we just flip it back and forth just to make sure
The
both
sauce
sides. Yeah.
Covered it.
Yep. And what we have to do is to poke it.
Poke it.
Yep.
Oh,
Poke
okay.
it. So the taste will be absorbed. And we will gonna make it beautiful. Oh my god! We forgot the Ginisa mix.
Ha ha. I knew we forgot something.
So what we gonna do now? Good thing. It will add flavors really to make it more tastier. So I just gonna mix it. Mix, mix, mix. Mix.
And guys, don't forget to subscribe and like. And if you have any comments, make sure you write them. Now we're gonna make our salmon beautiful.
So
It's like these are his eyes, this is his nose, and this is his mouth.
you have a creative eyes, huh?
Yeah, I know.
And we kind of garnish this with some herbs. This is the dill. We put it in the oven for 350 Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit, whatever. So that's it, and this has to be like this. There you go. That's it.
Now put it inside the oven
For 50 minutes. Now it's cooked, and look at this. It's so yummy.
It smells so good.
Now I gotta get you this piece. I know it's your favorite part. So is this enough for you?
I think, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
With the rice.
No, with vegetables. So I'm gonna get my share and put it there. And what you gonna say now? So how was it?
It's so delicious.
Yeah. And the Parmesan is perfectly blended, right? Let me taste my share. It's perfect. Perfect.
I hope you guys taste it the way we taste it.
Yeah, it's so yummy. Please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell for more videos. Now, let's eat together. Yummy. Say bye.
Bye.